I'm videotaping your food. I'm sorry.
You videotape.
I got to put on the YouTube videos. So people can see what they could be eating. Whoa,
They're
Steve.
always after me to take pictures and that.
Yeah?
My wife says you keep eating like this, you're not going to get to come back.
As hell. You know, got kind of spoiled with seeing all these moose on day one in the first few hours. Now we're going to expect it every day.
Yeah.
You know?
Hold on. Put it in them. This rabbit just ran right by the bike. Didn't even care.
Doing the right thing. They only shoot when you're ready. There's a dead bull. If you want to take your time.
All right, here we go.
Get your brain. You had a ball. Here you go. Here you go.
I know people like that. We just don't talk about it. It's okay.
Witness protection.
Holy fuck.
That's it. I got you. I understand.
He makes quick work of it. Now your first moose, is it?
Not my first moose. Nope.
One of your last.
This guy
I think you're right. Just only because the cabin's here. I looked up there.
That's what I mean. It's all part of it.
cow. Right there.